Git interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. This is a structured set of commonly asked Git interview questions with clear answers. It covers key Git fundamentals, repositories and commits, branching and merging, remote repositories and collaboration, rebasing and conflict resolution, advanced Git workflows, and best practices. Git is the most widely used distributed version control system for software development and DevOps workflows. 1 to 20. Git Basics 1. What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system used to track source code changes. 2. Why use Git? C. Version tracking, collaboration, rollback support, branching workflows. 3. What is version control? Managing changes to files over time. 4. Git versus GitHub. Git means version control tool. GitHub means hosting platform for Git repositories. 5. What is repository? Storage location for project files and history. 6. What is local repository? Repository stored on local machine. 7. What is remote repository? Repository hosted on server platform. 8. What is commit? Snapshot of project changes. 9. What is staging area? Temporary area before commit. 10. What is working directory? Current editable project files. 11. Git workflow basics. Working directory means staging area, means repository. 12. Initialize Git repository. Git init. 13. Clone repository command. Git clone URL. 14. What is Git status? Shows current repository state. 15. Example status command. Git status. 16. What is Git add? Adds files to staging area. 17. Example Git add. Git add file.txt. 18. What is Git commit? Saves staged changes permanently. 19. Example commit. Git commit -m initial commit. 20. What is commit message? Description of changes in commit. 21 to 40. Branching and merging. 21. What is branch in Git? Independent line of development. 22. Why branches are useful? Check. Feature isolation. Check. Parallel development. 23. Create branch command. Git branch feature login. 24. Switch branch command. Git checkout feature login. 25. Create and switch branch together. Git checkout-b feature login. 26. What is main master branch? Primary branch of repository. 27. What is merge? Combining branches together. 28. Merge command. Git merge feature login. 29. What is merge conflict? Conflicting changes between branches. 30. How resolve merge conflict? Edit conflicting files. Commit resolved version. 31. What is fast forward merge? Direct branch pointer movement without merge commit. 32. What is recursive merge? Standard merge strategy. 33. What is git diff? Shows file differences. 34. Example diff. Git diff 35. What is git log? Shows commit history. 36. Example log. Git log. 37. What is head in Git? Pointer to current commit. 38. What is detached head? Head pointing directly to commit. 39. What is tag in Git? Named reference to commit. 40. Tag use cases. Check releases, check versioning. 41 to 60. Remote repositories and collaboration. 41. What is Git remote? Connection to remote repository. 42. Show remotes, Git remote -v. 43. What is Git fetch? Downloads changes without merging. 44. What is Git pull? Fetch, merge remote changes. 45. Example Git pull. Git pull origin main. 46. What is Git push? Uploads local commits to remote repository. 47. Example Git push. Git push origin main. 48. What is origin? Default remote repository name. 49. What is upstream branch? Default remote tracking branch. 50. What is pull request? Request to merge code changes. 51. What is code review? Reviewing code before merging. 52. What is fork in GitHub? Personal copy of repository. 53. What is open source workflow? Collaborative public development process. 54. What is protected branch? Restricted branch for safe collaboration. 55. What is GitHub Actions? CI/CD automation platform. 56. What is .gitignore? Specifies ignored files. 57. Example .gitignore. Node modules. 58. Why use .gitignore? Avoid unnecessary files. Protect sensitive data. 59. What is SSH authentication? Secure repository access method. 60. HTTPS versus SSH for Git. HTTPS means username password token. SSH means key-based authentication. 61 to 80. Advanced Git conditions. 61. What is Git rebase? Reapplies commits onto another base branch. 62. Merge versus rebase. Merge means preserves history. Rebase means cleaner linear history. 63. Example rebase. Git rebase main. 64. What is cherry pick? Applies specific commit to branch. 65. Example cherry pick. Git cherry pick commit ID. 66. What is stash in Git? Temporarily stores uncommitted changes. 67. Example stash. Git stash. 68. Restore stash. Git stash pop. 69. What is reset in Git? Moves branch pointer and modifies state. 70. Types of reset. Soft, mixed, hard. 71. What is git revert? Creates commit, undoing previous commit. 72. Reset versus revert. Reset means rewrites history. Revert means preserves history. 73. What is reflog? Tracks, head, changes. 74. What is squash commit? Combining multiple commits into one. 75. What is interactive rebase? Advanced commit editing tool. 76. What is bisect in Git? Finds commit causing bug. 77. Example bisect flow. Good commit. Good, bad commit. Binary search commits. 78. What is submodule? Repository inside another repository. 79. What is monorepo? Single repository for multiple projects. 80. What is Git workflow? Development collaboration strategy. 81 to 100. Best practices in enterprise Git. 81. Common Git workflows. Git flow. GitHub flow. Trunk-based development. 82. What is Git flow? Structured branching model. 83. What is feature branch? Branch for specific feature work. 84. What is release branch? Branch preparing production release. 85. What is hotfix branch? Emergency production fix branch. 86. What is semantic versioning? Versioning format, like 1.2.0. 87. What is CI/CD integration with Git? Automated build, testing, deployment. 88. What is commit squashing best practice? Cleaner history before merge. 89. What is force push? Overwrites remote history. 90. Why force push dangerous? Can overwrite others' work. 91. What is signed commit? Cryptographically verified commit. 92. What is Git LFS? Git large file storage. 93. What is repository cloning optimization? Shallow clone. 94. Example shallow clone. Git clone depth 1 URL. 95. What is branching strategy best practice? Short-lived feature branches. Regular merges / rebases. 96. What is code ownership? Team ownership of repository sections. 97. What is repository maintenance? Clean up branches, clean up history, manage permissions. 98. What is Git security best practice? Avoid secrets in repo, use SSH keys, protect branches. 99. Common Git interview topics. Cuck, branching, merge conflicts, rebase, reset versus revert. 100. How to master Git. Check. Practice branching workflows. Understand rebasing deeply. Collaborate on real projects. Resolve merge conflicts. Use advanced Git tools regularly. Final summary. Git interviews focus on key, repositories and commits. Key, branching and merging. Key, collaboration workflows. Key, rebasing and history management. Key, conflict resolution and best practices. Key idea. Strong developers understand both Git internals and collaborative development workflows deeply.